Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. September is National Preparedness Month, a time for us to focus on being better prepared for emergencies. You know, being prepared is not just an individual responsibility, it takes a community-wide effort. And if everyone is better prepared, it makes for a safer, stronger community. The storm that ravaged Plano in May left a trail of destruction, but fortunately, few people were injured. We were lucky, but luck is not a strategy. Personal preparedness is a vital component of a prepared community. The more prepared we are as individuals, the more resilient our community becomes. That's why the Federal Emergency Management Agency's READY campaign is so important. By visiting ready.gov, you can access crucial resources like how to create a communication plan, build an emergency kit, and prepare for various types of disasters. These simple steps can make a big difference in keeping your family, friends, and neighbors safe. Let's face it, it's not a matter of if a disaster will strike, but when. So take some time to prepare. And don't forget to follow the Plano Department of Emergency Management on social media for more tips and updates. Together, we can build a safer, more prepared community. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.